No one ever plans to be in a collision, but Davidson Collision of Watertown is here for you when you do. Our collision center has been servicing the North Country for over 40 years, and our technicians have decades of experience and utilize the best state-of-the-art technology to get the job done right. In addition to fixing those unfortunate fender benders, we are pleased to announce we offer spray-on bed liners backed by a lifetime warranty. Contact our team today for a free estimate and let us help you get your vehicle looking like the day you drove it off the lot. Spanking new, baby.